Chef. Chef. Apa itu? Pati diceritakan
have to be in relative motion. Because there's movement involved, this force is also called kinetic friction. Now consider the example of the luggage in which we don't have the wheels under it. If we move the luggage, what is the resistive force applied by the ground we call? Yes, sliding friction. But what happens when we attach circular wheels at the bottom of the luggage? Yes, the friction gets reduced to a great extent. Rolling friction. It is a force associated with rotational movement. Now can you tell me by pure intuition for which force to be lesser? Sliding friction or rolling friction? Yes, rolling friction is usually lesser than the one associated with sliding friction. And that's why attaching wheels at the bottom makes it easier to move the object around. And similarly, moving the box on top of the cylindrical vessel is also easier. Can you think of more examples where the concept of rolling friction is used to reduce the friction? Yes, tires of your car. When the car is in motion, the ground applies a force of resistance, which is nothing but rolling friction on the tire. Do you remember seeing ball bearings? They are spherical metal balls used in glass or ceramics. They reduce friction to a great extent, which in turn reduces the wear and tear of the machine. So we got the concept of sliding and rolling friction. Here's another interesting type of friction which we need to know about. Only when you know which kind of friction I'm talking about.
So through this video, you can see another video. This one by passing through YouTube. Here, I start any video you want. Understand? Go to YouTube and search in terms of any video you need, like effect of friction force on what? Effect of friction force on what? So you see like this video when you go, this one.
They are always moving on a flat ground and there's no external force acting on it. Will the force eventually come to a point? Yes, it will. Have you ever wondered why? When you're skating on an ice rink and your friend is skating on the road, whose movement do you think will be smoother? Definitely yours. When you hold the bottle in your hand, why doesn't it just slip through and fall? Sometimes when you're walking around the mall, you remember people oftentimes wonder about the flowing wet? What explains all this? The answer is friction. The reason why the ball eventually comes to a halt is because of the force of friction. The reason why skating on an ice rink is easier because the force of friction is lesser there. The ball is not slip through because the force of friction between your hand and the bottom doesn't allow it to do so. expand. What does fluid friction depend on? Let's talk about the first obvious factor. It's the nature of the fluid. To understand this point, we just need to answer a simple question. An object moves from point A to B through air, and in the second case, a similar object travels from A to B through water. Which object do you think encounters more resistance? Clearly, it will be the water, right? Yes. More the thickness of the fluid, greater will be the friction force acting on an object to move through it. There's a term which describes a fluid's resistance to flow. It's called viscosity. So, we can say that the water is more resistant than air. Higher the viscosity, more will be the resistance offered by the fluid. Ice is more resistant than water, which is why it offers more friction than water. That was the first factor affecting fluid friction, the nature of the fluid. Can you think of any other factor? Another factor is the speed with which the object is traveling. Higher the speed of the object moving through a fluid, greater will be the friction force acting on it. A vehicle traveling at 100 miles per hour will face more drag of air as compared to a similar vehicle traveling at 50 miles per hour. Apart from the nature of the fluid and the speed with which the object is traveling, is there any other factor on which fluid friction depends on? Yes, it also depends on the shape of the object. And it's really important that we understand this factor well. Have you ever thought about why aeroplanes are shaped like this? It could just have been a rectangular box flying in the air. How have the fish evolved to be shaped like this? Why are the ships designed to be given this shape? There's a reason for all this. They're given a streamlined shape to minimize the fluid friction. The shape of the aeroplane, if you notice, is like that of a bird. This process of giving an object a particular shape to decrease the fluid friction is known as streamlining. Streamlining the object can greatly reduce the resistance offered by the fluid. A car faces lesser friction from air as it has a streamlined shape. A bus, on the other hand, will face more air friction as it doesn't have a streamlined shape. So these were the different factors on which fluid friction depends. Nature of the fluid, the speed of the object flowing through the fluid, and the shape of the object.
So we think that is enough. So all students will not only learn in class, but also they can learn from the video. Yes. Understand? You should learn in the classroom, also you can learn by using our video. So this is the effects of friction force. What factors will affect what friction force of the body. So this is our this classroom. We will see it tomorrow by starting a little bit but also you learn by using videos, not only in the classroom, but even in our class today. Clear? So, what is the room?